Pontiac G6 GT. The Pontiac G6 is a mid-size car released in 2005. It uses the Gram Epsilon platform, sharing it with the Chevrolet Malibu, Saab 923, Saturn Aura, Opel Vectra, and Cadillac ELS. Introduced at the 2004 North American International Auto Show, the G6 is a replacement for the Pontiac Grand Am, which previously shared its platform and components with the Oldsmobile Railroad. It is currently reminiscent of the Mitsubishi Galant and Ford Fusion. The launch of the G6 was a major publicity stunt. 276 of the cars were famously given away to audience members of the Oprah Winfrey Show on the talk show's fall 2004 season premiere. This promotion garnered international attention, the reported $110 million in publicity, and put the G6, a previously unknown name, solidly on the lists of many shoppers. Although the G6 was new to the public, in many respects it could be considered the sixth generation of the Grand Am, with G6 standing for Grand Am sixth generation, even though that name was retired. Within a year, this new car had become the 11th best-selling car in the United States 2005 and won several consumer-based industry awards from J.D. APEAL Strategic Vision, Total Quality and Delight, and became the Consumer Reports recommended by Car of the Year by the Spanish magazine Automundo. Pontiac introduced a coupe convertible version of the G6 at the 2005 Los Angeles Auto Show. The G6 convertible began arriving on dealership lots during the spring of 2006. The starting price for the GT trim level was $28,490, while the GTP started at $29,990. At launch, it was the most inexpensive retractable hardtop available in the U.S. market. The other body styles available are coupe and sedan. In its May 22, 2006 issue, Time magazine put the G6 on a two-car list, along with the Buick Terrazza, of Gram cars that aren't going anywhere. Time continued to say that Gram did not capitalize on the G6's good reviews for interior styling and powertrain. It delayed a cheaper, four-cylinder version, as well as a coupe and convertible. Sales now rely on incentives and fleet deals. The Pontiac G6 is the replacement for the Pontiac Grand Am, which ceased production on May 2, 2005. When the 100-year-old Lansing, Michigan assembly plant closed. Most of the 3,500 workers affected will be moved to the new Delta Township, Michigan assembly plant in late 2006. The G6 is produced in the Orion Township, Michigan assembly plant. Engine: the G6 base comes standard with the 2.4 LX attack four-cylinder engine. The GT model comes standard with the 3.5 LX9 engine, which produces 201 HP, 150 kilowatts and 222 feet lb-f, 301 Nm of torque. This was the only engine available for the 2005 and 2006 model years. The 2007 model has the 3.5 LLZ4. New for 2006. The G6 GTP comes with GM's 3.9 LC9 engine, producing 240 HP, 179 kilowatts and 241 feet lb-f, 327 Nm of torque. In 2007, the 3.9 LV6 will go into the GT Plus Sport package, making way for the 3.6 LV6 and the new 6-speed automatic in the GTP.